Hello everybody, this is your girl Andrea back in my kitchen, and today I'm going to be trying out some Nigerian jollof rice. Because of the wide ethnicity of people that live in the Caribbean, we have all different types of cultures there. So I'm going to try out today some jollof rice. So bear with me, okay? So for this recipe, what I'm going to be using is a bell pepper, one red bell pepper, 2 firm tomatoes, and 1 cut bonnet pepper. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop these peppers up. Cut the bell, take all the seeds in it. Alright, and jollof rice is made in lots of parts of Africa. So I'm bringing it to my kitchen today. Alright, so I'm going to cut these up. These tomatoes with the seeds, put them in the blender. Also the pepper. And you can put how much Scotch bonnet pepper you want. It all depends on your preference, okay? Alright, so I have a Scotch bonnet here. I'm going to take the seeds out, guys, because I'm telling you, this is really hot, okay? At least most of the seed. So this goes in here. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a little bit of water to help with the blending. Alright, so I'm going to put it on and blend away, pulse it. Alright, so now to the stove. You rinse this off a little bit. Add some canola oil. And to that I'm going to chop up a red onion. Right, so I have a nice firm red onion. I'm going to chop this up while that oil is being heated. You take off the skin. Jollof rice, I always like eating Nigerian food, but the only thing I'm missing from this recipe is some Bayleaf. I couldn't find Bayleaf in my area. So the next time, excuse me, that pepper. So you cut up some red onion. Slice up your onions in the oil. Put the onions in the oil and give it a toss. And I have a lot of this is going to be a real delicious dish. And we're doing this down with some chicken and some coleslaw for dinner, okay? So let it saute a little bit until it's soft enough. And then rinse this out. Alright, so to that, when that's soft enough, I'm going to take out this tomato paste, because I'm going to be using tomato paste. You see? And this is 6 ounces of tomato paste. Take it out from the can. Alright, I was told that it's the best paste to use. Tomato paste. So I'm trying it out. And this is 6 ounces. You want that onion to saute, and they said the best onion to use is the red onion. Not the white one, the red onion. Right? I think I'll get out most of this tomato paste from this can. And the onions, I'm telling you, the onions are burning my eyes. So while this has softened up, I'm going to add the tomato paste. 6 ounces of tomato paste. Toss it around. And let that cook down for about 5 or 6 minutes, and I'll be back. Fry up the onion with the tomato paste, and this is how it's supposed to look like. Smells good already. So that, I'm going to add some garlic. Right? I'm going to add some garlic. How much is this? I put in half a tablespoon. This is crushed garlic. Half a tablespoon of crushed garlic. Some curry powder. Put some curry powder. About half a tablespoon too. That's the seasoning for the right? And I have here some jollof rice seasoning. Half a tablespoon also. And some dry thyme. I have some dry thyme. I'm going to give this a toss. Oh, that smells good. Woo! Smell good. I have to show my son-in-law that. And you put some dry thyme. Sprinkle some dry thyme. See? Badia's thyme. I sprinkle some. Sprinkle some thyme. You give it a toss again. So it's drying up nice inside that pot. It must look like that. That is what I was told. And some Maggi cube. You put two Maggi cubes inside here. Crush it up. 1 is for additional flavor. 2. Give it a toss. You put a little bit of chicken stock, chicken broth. Or you could put water if you want, but I have chicken broth. Put a little bit. Give it a stir. Oh, that smells good. Smell really good. Now, you're going to add in that mixture, what I blended. Put that in here. And stir it up. Let this cook for about 2-3 minutes. And I'll be back with the rice. Alright. Oh my goodness. Look how this thing is bubbling away. Wow. All these ingredients inside here blended together to make a nice jollof rice. Right? You want this amount of water. Right? Because I have here like 3.5 cups of parboiled rice. Some people use the long grain rice, but you know, I like my parboiled rice. So I'm going to wash this rice. You wash it in cold water. And the reason why you're washing this rice, you have to take your hand and rub the rice. Take out all the starch, at least most of the starch in it. You see that white stuff there? Like the starch in the rice. You want to wash it in cold water, okay? Take out all that starch. Give it like about 3 wash. And while you're doing that, you're rubbing the rice together with your hand. As I said, this is the first time I'm trying out jollof rice. A friend of mine told me what to use. And your girl just feeling for some jollof rice today. Alright, so I'm going to pour this rice inside here now. Pour the rice in there. Give it a little stir. Give it a little taste check. Good. Good, good, good. I could put a little salt in it. Just a little more salt. Alright. Give it a little stir. And what I'm going to decrease the heat. Put it on low. Right, put it on low. Let it take its time and cook it. Because you don't want this rice to be soggy. You want it to be grainy. And as I said, I'm missing the bay leaf in this rice. So it don't cost more if all you don't see the bay leaf, okay? I'll cover this and let this cook until it's tender. I'll be back. Okay, so the jollof rice has been cooking on slow heat. And this is the consistency that I really like it to be. You understand? So you sort of toss it around a little bit, because you don't want it to be soggy, okay? So it's been cooking for about, how much, 25 minutes? So I'm going to let it steam down for a little 15 more minutes. Right? It looks great, guys. Right? It looks great. And I'm just going to let it steam down, as I said, for another 15 to 20 minutes. And I'll be back with a finished product. Alright, let's check up on this rice. Alright, I think it's finished now. It looks good, guys. So this is how I like my jollof rice to look. I really enjoy eating this African dish. So I'm gonna display it for you now. And as I said, I'm going to be eating this today with some coleslaw and some baked chicken. I have some barbecue chicken in the oven, and I'm going to be eating it with this. So this is the end product of my jollof rice, and I'm telling you, it came out to the right consistency that I wanted to come out to. Sorry, but I did not have the bay leaf. That was missing. So the next time I do another video, I'm going to include the bay leaves in it. Alright, so if you like my video, just comment, leave a nice comment. Put some negative, put some positive comments so I know how to improve on this video. And like, share, and subscribe to my channel, okay? And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new video the girl Andrea have. Okay, have a safe and wonderful day. This is the girl Andrea signing off. Bye.